So out here in West Richland, and this homeowner had wanted me to come out here and give them a painting estimate for their new house. They had purchased this a while ago, and they want to get the whole exterior painted. So you can see up top, all the fascia is going to be white, and then they want to go with a light green body color. So before we do that, I had instructed them that they need to move all the stuff around the house and get it cleared so that we can actually work when we get here. So they're going to do that this weekend, have all this stuff. They're going to cut the weeds and move all the stuff around the house. So here they had requested that we would put some caulking on both sides of these board and bats. This is an older house and they want it really good and sealed. So that's what we're planning to do next week. And I'd like to be able to give you guys a picture of this once we're done painting. So again, all this stuff is going to be moved. You can see the foundation there. They had to do a patch. And then part of the foundation is red, and that's all going to be painted the body color. So they're working on an inside remodel, and they want to get this exterior painted and painted soon. So we told them that we would be there next week and start with all the prep and mask off the windows and start going with the 2 coats of super paint. Up top you can see fascia. Down here they're going to pull off all these rails, and I would like to be able to give you guys a shot of this after we're done painting. So when I come out to give an estimate, I always want to make sure to look and see what the substrate is so that I know what the product is to put on the house. It's important that you have the correct product on the whatever substrate that you're applying it to. So other than having the correct product, it's important that the substrate is prepped and prepared properly before applying the paint. So that's what we've got going on out here, and I'd like to be able to come and do a walkthrough here again on this house once it is completely painted.